Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with hair that's slightly damp because moisture helps strands wrap and hold. Once done, unclip one section and smooth tangles with your fingers. Make sure to hold the magic twist sponge flat against your scalp and apply gentle, even pressure. Then rotate the sponge 2 to 3 clockwise swirls over the same area to create defined twists. You should feel hair catching in the sponge teeth. This action forms the coils. Keep movements small and steady to avoid frizz. Once the first twists are set, continue row by row so your pattern stays even. You want all swirls moving in the same direction to prevent cross-texture. Apply a pea-sized amount of cream, gel, or pomade to each section before swirled passes for added hold and reduced frizz, and make sure to distribute product evenly with fingers. Take short, deliberate swirls rather than long strokes. This builds density and definition. If you notice loose strands, go over them again with the sponge until coils lock in. You finish by sealing the style. Let hair air dry fully or use a low-heat diffuser to set twists. Once dry, lightly finger separate only if you want volume. Make sure to protect the style overnight with a satin or silk cap to prevent friction and preserve shape. For maintenance, responge problem areas weekly rather than all over to extend life. If twists come out frizzy or uneven, apply a tiny amount of product and responge those sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.